This is Fire Prevention Week. I'm Mike Causey, your insurance commissioner and state fire marshal, here with the Concord Fire Department and the Faulk family. To illustrate this year's theme, Fire Won't Wait, Plan Your Escape. And one of the most important things is having working smoke alarms. We install new smoke alarms for the Faulk family, and smoke alarms should be installed on every level and in every bedroom of your home. Remember to check your smoke alarms at home and make sure they're working. If you need help, call your local fire department. Second, create a family fire escape plan. Let's see what you got here. Make sure everyone knows 2 ways out of every room. Children, older adults, or people with disabilities may need help, so make a plan for everyone in the home. Draw out your family escape plan and place it on the refrigerator or somewhere in the house where everyone can see it. Finally, pick a meeting place outside. This is a place where everyone knows where to go in case of a fire. Pick a spot away from the house, like a mailbox, a tree, or the sidewalk. Practice makes perfect. Remember to practice your fire safety drills at least twice a year with everyone in your household. For more fire prevention tips, visit our website, ncosfm.gov.